tribute to Rabindranath Tagore. There we have boys and girls, our pillars of strength and our pillars of encouragement, lighting the lamp of the famous Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you, Secretary Ma'am. Thank you, Principal Ma'am.
Without mother, life of every being is incomplete. So now, our students of St. Paul's School will project a huge, very beautiful show dedicated to their mother. I would hand over the mic to ma'am to continue the process.
Timeless words of Rabindranath Tagore that beautifully captures the profound emotional connection between a child and their mother. In his tender verses, Tagore often portrayed the mother as a symbol of unconditional love, comfort, and security. A haven to which the child instinctively returns in the moments of joy, sorrow, or uncertainty. Through his lyrical expressions, Tagore reminds us that the essence of a mother lies not just in care, but in the quiet, constant comfort she provides.
हमारी तुम उठा
Happy Mother's Day. Shout.
Wishing you a beautiful Mother's Day filled with love and joy. Thank you so much, parents.
Thank you, beautiful students.
Today we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of India's most beloved poet and writer, Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on May 9, 1861. Rabindranath Tagore
with such amazing performance. Up next, we have another.
It is the most Latvian teacher. Rabindranath Tagore, our expert his poetry songs. He wrote numerous poems and songs describing the beauty of spring itself. best in me which is given to the best. Tagore's songs carry an evocation to the inexorable moral law which governs all life. It has been said of his poetry, each change of season, every aspect of his country's rich landscape, every undulation of the human heart, in joy or in sorrow, has found voice in some song of his. Who awakens my being with his deep hidden treasures. He it is who puts his enchantment upon these eyes and joyfully plays on the chords of my heart in varied cadence of pleasure and pain.
In Tagore's dance dramas, dance is seen as the soul's mirror that gives expression to the soul's yearnings and aspirations, the ecstasies and agonies, the dreams and frustrations.
গধূলিতে নামলো আধার, ফুরিয়ে গেল বেলা, ঘরের মাঝে সাঙ্গ হলো চেনা মুখের মেলা। দূরে তাকায় লক্ষ্য হারা, নয়ন ছলো ছলো, এবার তবে ঘরের প্রদীপ বাইরে নিয়ে চলো। সেই সাধনায় মিশিয়া যায় বকুল বন্ধ, সেই সাধনায় মিলিয়া যায় কবির ছন্দ। তুমি জানো না, ঢেকে রেখেছি তোমায়
চক্রবর্তীদের বাড়ি কোথায়? ওই হতা কথা জানি রে। যাবো না। তুই আবার মাখনকে মেরেছিস? না, মারিনি, কখনো মারিনি। মাখনকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো। হ্যাঁ, মেরেছে। মেরেছে কথা। হ্যাঁ, তুই আমার গায়ে হাত তুলিস? কি সাহস তোর? কি হচ্ছে কি তোমাদের? উমা, এই যে দাদা, তুমি কবে এলে? ফটিকটা আমার হাত জ্বালাতন করিয়াছে। কিরা ফটিক, কেমন রে? মামার সাথে কলকাতায় যাবি? যাবো যাবো যাবো। ফটিক, শোনো মালিকা আমার। এখন আমার ছুটি হয়েছে না, এখন আমি বাড়ি যাচ্ছি। ওই তো মিনি, রানু, অমল, মাখন সব এসেছে না।
Al final del día me apresuro por temor a que tu puerta se cierre, pero descubro que you hay en tanto. At the end of the day, I hesitate fear lest your will be shut, but I find that yet there is time.
রাতকে অনুসরণ করছে আমার সেই কবেকার কোনো বিবর্ণ স্মৃতি। আর বেরাদব হাওয়া এসে নিভিয়ে দিল সব। একটা কথা যা পাহাড় থেকে পাহাড়ে প্রতিধ্বনি হতে হতে হয়ে উঠল গান। আজ সেই গানের হাত ধরে দুঃখ উদযাপন।
বলেছে যাব যাব, রাত বলেছে যাই, সাগর বলে কুল মিলেছে, আমি আর নাই। দুঃখ বলে রইলু চুপে, তাহার আয়ের চিহ্ন রূপে, আমি বলে মিলাই আমি আর কিছু না চাই।
পাশরিব ভাবনা, পাশরিব যাতনা, রাখিব প্রমোদে ভরি দিবানি শিবন প্রাণ। অন্তবে দিনা, অন্তবে দিনা, সপ্তম সুরে বাঁধবে তার। আয়ে তবে সহচরি হাতে হাতে ধরি ধরি নাচিবি ঘিরে ঘিরে গাইবি গান। ঢালো ঢালো শশধর, ঢালো ঢালো যোছনা, সমীরণ বহে জানে ফুলে ফুলে ঢলে ঢলে। উলসিত তটিনী, উলসিত তটিনী,
The most dance form features several popular film characters, including Chandrapada, Prakriti, and Shyama. These characters contribute to the overall narrative and explore various aspects of female identity and experience.
These female characters are not merely passive recipients of events, they are active agents who make choices and navigate their own destiny.
Day after day, O Lord of my life, shall I stand before thee face to face? With folded hands, O Lord of all worlds, shall I stand before thee face to face? Under thy great sky in solitude and silence, with humble heart, shall I stand before thee face to face? And when my work shall be done in this world, O King of Kings, alone and speechless shall I stand before thee face to face.
Now it's time to sit quiet, face to face with thee, and to sing dedications of life in this silent and overflowing nature. Plug this little flower and take it. Delay not. I fear lest it droop and drop into the dust. The central theme of Gitanjali, devotion to God. Through Gitanjali, Rabindranath Tagore expressed that suffering can never end, and one may only seek God's help to get the strength to bear it.
That's our humble tribute to the Bard of Bengal. performance by your friends. I hope you all enjoy it. End of this program, I request Dungibar to come and give the secession speech for the program. Dungibar, please come on stage. We have our amazing Bangali Babu Dungibar to end the program on a good note.
A performance today is a journey through a vision of beauty, freedom, and divine connection. Let us walk this path together. Oh, beautifully enjoyed the performances by classes 1, 2, 3. Have a great day ahead.
কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর রচিত মানব মৃত্যুর পাত্রে খ্রিস্ট যেদিন মৃত্যুহীন প্রাণ উৎসর্গ করলেন প্রবাহিত অনাহুতের জন্যে, তারপরে কেটে গেছে বহু শত বছর। আজ তিনি একবার নেমে এলেন নিত্য ধাম থেকে মত্ত ধামে। চেয়ে দেখলেন সেকালেও মানুষ ক্ষত বিক্ষত হতো যে সমস্ত পাপের মারে, যে উদ্ধত শৌল শল্য, যে চতুর ছোড়া ও ছুরি, যে ক্রূর কুটিল তলোয়ারের আঘাতে বিদ্যুৎ বেগে আজ তাদের গলায় শান দেওয়া হচ্ছে। হিস হিস শব্দে পুলিঙ্গ ছড়িয়ে বড় বড় মসি ধূমকেতন কারখানা করে। কিন্তু দারুণতম যে মৃত্যুপান নূতন তৈরি হলো, ঝপঝপ করে উঠল নরঘাতকের হাতে। পূজারি তাতে লাগিয়েছে তারই নামের ছাপ, তীক্ষ্ণ নখে আঁচড় দিয়ে। খ্রিস্ট বুকে হাত চেপে ধরলেন, বুঝলেন শেষ হয়নি তার নিরবচ্ছিন্ন মৃত্যুর মুহূর্ত। নূতন শুল তৈরি হচ্ছে বিজ্ঞানশালায়, বিচ্ছে তার গ্রন্থিতে গ্রন্থিতে। সেদিন তাকে মেরেছিল যারা ধর্ম মন্দিরের ছায়ায় দাঁড়িয়ে, তারাই আজ নূতন জন্ম নিল দলে দলে। তারাই আজ ধর্ম মন্দিরের বেদির সামনে থেকে পূজা মন্ত্রের সুরে ডাকছে, ঘাতক সৈন্যকে বলছে, মারো মারো। মানব পুত্র যন্ত্রণায় বলে উঠেছে, হে ঈশ্বর, হে মানুষের ঈশ্বর, কেন আমাকে ত্যাগ করলে? নমস্কার।
Thank you.
Victory, not a word, but a human spirit. Tagore's
নমস্কার। কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের লেখা কবিতা প্রশ্ন। ভগবান, তুমি যুগে যুগে দূত পাঠাইছো বারে বারে দয়াহীন সংসারে। তারা বলে গেল ক্ষমা করো সরে, বলে গেল ভালোবাসো, অন্তর হতে বিদ্বেষ বিশ্বাস। বরণীয় তারা, স্মরণীয় তারা, তবু বাহির দ্বারে আজি দুর্দিনে ফিরানো তাদের ব্যর্থ নমস্কারে। আমি যে দেখেছি গোপন হিংসা কপট রাত্রি ছায়ে হেমেছে নিঃসহায়। আমি যে দেখেছি প্রতিকারহীন শব্দের অপরাধে বিচারের বাণী নীরবে নিভৃত কাঁদে। আমি যে দেখিনু তরুণ বালক উন্মাদ হয়ে ছোটে, কি যন্ত্রণায় মরেছে পাথরে নিষ্ফল মাথা। কণ্ঠ আমার রুদ্ধ আজিকে বাসি সঙ্গীত হারা, অমাবস্যার তারা লুপ্ত করেছে আমার ভুবন দুঃস্বপ্নের তলে। তাই তো তোমার সুধাই ও সুজন, যাহার তোমার দিশাইছে বায়ু, নিভাইছে তব আলো। তুমি কি তাদের ক্ষমা করিয়াছ? তুমি কি বেসেছ ভালো?
Respected Madam Principal, respected Madam Secretary, and respected Madam Vice Principal, and my dear colleagues, and my dearest children. Today, I don't know what to speak. কবি ভাষাতেই বলি, কি গাবো আমি, কি শোনাবো আজই আমি, আমার কিছু ভাষা নেই বলার। such a wonderful program. I was completely absorbed, and these performers, these Central Modern School students, these performers, the talented children, they transported us to the magic world of Tagore. We were completely lost in his world of love, of his Jibon Devata, and of nature. Every program, each and every program carries a stamp of genius. And I was really, I don't know, I ever thankful to Central Modern School, all of them, the children, the teachers, the management, everybody, the students, the performers here, for presenting such a wonderful day. Such a wonderful day. All of the performers, all, starting from the one that poetry, the poem, what they recited, they composed and they recited on Tagore. It shows, who knows that one day they also may be the poets like Tagore. And the dances, they are actually the choreography, the dance performance, the mudras, everything is so wonderful, so wonderful. And really, I don't have any language to express that. Dance is actually Tagore thought that dance is not only the movement of the body, it is the movement of the mind. That it is a combination of mind and body. So they performed so well. Every dance, each and every dance. And then there was a good element of surprise. Surprise when the quiz we just came to witness. It was really very the last moment, surprise and delight for us. And then in the first program also, for the juniors, that Mother's Day celebration, all these things added just wonderful beauty to the already beautiful world of God. So I really am thankful, and all the performers, I once again say that they are the students of Central Modern School, and the teachers, they are the teachers of Central Modern School, and Madam Principal and the Madam Secretary, they are the actually management, such wonderful management of Central Modern School. So thank you so much. Everything, guiding the students, and then directing the program, entire program, everywhere. We cannot but feel their presence of genius, that I can say really. So 3 cheers for Shantan sir and Kevin sir. Yes, thank you.
For Tagore, the idea of love was beyond desire. It was devotion, surrender, longing, and liberation. We begin with a dance where every rhythm associates with nothing but love. different way to celebrate Rabindranath Tagore than with our interpretation of his creations. But before this program starts, I would like to request respected principal ma'am and secretary ma'am to pay homage to Sri Guru by offering flowers.
Afternoon everyone, I am Kirti Singh from class 7A and today on this special occasion I am going to recite a poem for you all. Rabindranath Tagore, born in 1861, a Bengali son, had a strong interest in literature, music and art. Who knows, it can make him a big star. He began writing poetry at a young age, known as a prolific writer, composing novel stories and plays. His collection of poems, Gitanjali, earned him Nobel Prize. He founded Vishnu Bharati, which made him write. His works have been translated into many languages and are widely read. He is considered one of the greatest creative figures of the early 20th century. He composed over 2,000 songs, including India's national anthem. His legacy continues to inspire and influence people across the globe of them. But we lost him in 1941. But we still remember the great honor he did for our country. Thank you.
Wonderful! Thank you for the amazing poem. Up next, get ready for a beautiful song.
Thank you.
Tagore's pen name? What is Rabindranath Tagore's pen name?
We have a hand in here. Stand up.
Your name and answer. So, louder. I think the mic is not working. Louder.
My name is Rajendra Sharkar. The answer is Bhanu Singh.
Bhanu Shingo is
Correct.
correct. A chocolate for Rajendra. Rajendra, which class? Class 6. 6C. Very good. Next question, please.
What is Rabindranath Tagore's other hobbies other than writing?
Okay.
What is Rabindranath Tagore's other hobbies than writing?
Okay, we have. Let's go to the boys now. Let's take him. Yes.
Landing paper boats.
No, it's
Now-
painting.
Okay, so I don't think we will be able to give the chocolate. But no, the answer is wrong. It's painting. She said. Next question. Do not say the answer unless I say. Okay. Next question.
What is Rabindranath Tagore's last novel? What is Rabindranath Tagore's last novel?
Okay, we have. I'll give a chance to the boys and then I'll move to the girls. You will not say the answer. You stand up, say your name, and you say your answer.
Pass on the mic.
My name is Shamram.
Stand up. Stand up. Yes. Now you say.
My name is Shamram Chatterjee and I think it's Gitanjali.
Is it right?
No.
No. Who can answer? Pass the mic. Pass the mic. Thank you.
Okay, there is a girl. No, you I cannot allow. I'm sorry. Anyone else? Who?
Name, class, and answer.
Shulabna Kumar. She's a Kumar.
It's correct.
Kavita, right? Shulabna, right? Very good. Then we have the next question, please.
What school did Rabindranath Tagore establish?
What a very easy question. What school did Rabindranath Tagore establish? Okay, yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am, active one. Please stand up. Stand up.
My name is Vinoda Mukherjee, class 7, section E. The Rabindranath Tagore has established Vishwabharati.
School, she has asked. Okay, we have another. Wait. Him. Yes.
Name, class, and answer.
My name is Shahid Paul. I am from 7B. The answer will be Oriental Seminary.
Louder.
The answer will be Oriental Seminary.
No.
Who to give? Let's go.
Hello. My name is Mohan Sikar and the answer will be Santiketan.
Correct.
Correct. Very good. Next.
What is the name of Rabindranath Tagore's autobiography?
Name of Rabindranath Tagore's autobiography. Girls, what is wrong with you all? Huh? Okay.
My name is Dhrubadrita Banerjee. I am from 7B and the autobiography is Jeevan Suri.
Correct.
Very. Have any more questions?
No.
Okay, it's done.
Thank you.
So thank you children, thank you Quizmaster for conducting such amazing quiz, and thank you all. Did you all enjoy? Okay, it's not over. We have 2 more programs. Handing over to the MCs. Thank you.
Okay, last but not the least, let's hear another magnificent poem by Trisha Dattagade.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Trisha Dattagade from class 6C, and today
Today, I am going to recite a poem that I have written about Rabindranath Tagore. The name of the poem is The Poet of Poetry. Our Ravi Thakur became so proud, a poet of all across the land. He wrote some poems and stories too, of nature's beauty, fresh and new. His words like music, soft and clear, for everyone far and near. He built a school with open doors, where learning bloomed and knowledge grows. In woven eyes, a shining light. He made our India ever so bright. So let us sing his praises high. Our Rabindranath Tagore reaching the sky. Thank you.
Till now, we have enjoyed poems, songs, and quiz, but not any dance performance. So, let us finally end this program with a memorable and exquisite dance performance which will surely catch your eye.
very own Vice Principal Ma'am to please come up on stage and share a few words. Ma'am, if you could, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So you have enjoyed the program? Yes. I don't think I need to say much after that Ananda Dhara, but it's a wonderful dance performance. So, and the best thing that we all teachers enjoyed, I'm sure Principal Ma'am, Secretary Ma'am also enjoyed is the quiz. We are really pleased to see that you all know about Rabindranath Tagore. Except for one, I think one question, all were answered. So you know about Tagore. That is very pleasing to us. So as you grow up, keep reading Tagore's writings. There is a lot to learn from his writings, very pertinent even today. And the girls and boys who have composed poems on Tagore, it's a wonderful thing. Because to write poetry on the great poet is itself a wonderful task. So they have taken the responsibility. I definitely congratulate them for that. So remember the day always in your life, even when you are not. So ma'am wants them to give the poetry for the magazine that they have. Okay students, now you get back to your class, discipline and spoil the day. Is that clear?
My students will be doing the speaking today, and we are here to show our respect, our tribute to Koviguru Rabindranath Tagore through our creativity. So I hope it's a short drama that we have prepared for you. I hope you all enjoy, and our message is properly delivered to you. Handing over the mic to Srijan for further process.
Thank you, sir. So, good afternoon, everyone. Rabindra Jayanti, the day on which we celebrate Tagore, the Koviguru, the world poet, the one whose writings bind simultaneously the explored emotions and the unheard thoughts, and that too with utmost accuracy. Rabindranath Tagore is not just a name. For us, it is a little hope after tempest, a little peace after fights, and a little love when there's no one to love. We cannot be grateful enough to such a personality. So, to celebrate his 164th birth anniversary, we present to you a drama created by our beloved teachers, where we see an ignorant and mischievous boy, Shonji, who is not really aware of Tagore and his writings, but due to the circumstances, gets enlightened in the ray of Tagore's creations. In the first scene, the teacher enters the class. All the students stand to wish, but Shonji sits idle. Is he just going to get scolded? Or is some other surprise awaiting him too? Let's find out.
Sanjeev, don't you know that you have to stand?
Oh, sorry sir. Good morning.
Students, we need to make a project on Rabindranath Tagore. Sanjeev, I have some good news for you.
What, sir?
I have selected you to make the project.
Sir? Why me?
Because I have decided, that's why.
Disgusted Shonji enters his house, where his mother is doing chores.
Why is this? Does this carry any meaning that I have to write a project on Rabindranath Tagore? I know nothing about that person. What will I do?
Babu, what happened? You look so restless. What's the matter? Any problem? Have you done anything in school?
I have done nothing. Teacher has done.
What has the teacher done with you?
The teacher has asked me to write a project on Rabindranath Tagore.
That's great.
But I know nothing.
Go to your grandfather. He can help you. Amujitti niti niti kijinachi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi tata thoi thoi. Amujitti niti niti kijinachi tata thoi thoi.
Now, a curious Shonji enters his grandfather's room.
Grandpa, may I come in? What are you playing?
This is a famous tune of a Rabindra Sangeet. Rabindranath Tagore, such a versatile character, poet, novelist, he has written so many short stories, so many dramas and dance dramas.
Enough! I am tired of hearing.
Son, Rabindranath Tagore is himself an institution. He is present everywhere within us, in our daily life, in our emotions, in our conversations, in our dramas. You know, for every season he has a song. Like for rainy season,
নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর
নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর নীলঞ্জন ঘন কুঞ্জ ছায়ায় সমৃত অম্বর হে গম্ভীর হে গম্ভীর মনোলক্ষীর অঙ্কিত হয় চঞ্চল অঙ্ক মনোলক্ষীর অঙ্কিত হয় চঞ্চল অঙ্ক
Montoda, a cup of tea and 2 biscuits.
Hey, listen. Next week the shop will remain closed for 3 days.
Are you going somewhere?
Actually, I am going to Shantiniketan, Robi Thakur's place, with my family. Going there for the first time. Have any one of you gone there?
No, I haven't.
Such a great place.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
Comes back to his house where he finds his mother.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা
You, Ravindra Shogi?
Mother, quickly give me something to eat. I have to go to National Library to collect some information and complete my project on the great man Rabindranath Tagore.
তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে
So they all assemble for a program, and now Shonjeev is going to take over.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, student. So, Sanjeev, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Great. Please start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Rabindranath Tagore. It is almost impossible to cover this great personality in a few words. He is a versatile person. Poetries, novels, short stories, dramas, and dance dramas. He is in everywhere. His presence is felt in every sphere of our life. So many of his short stories and novels have been filmed by the great director Satyajit Ray. Now, I would like my friend to come and recite a poem on the great personality.
Where the mind is without fear, by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by being into ever-winding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, led my country away. Thank you.
And now, I request my friends to tribute the master with a beautiful song.
Great to be only great,
It is said, the proof of the pudding is in the eating thereof. That you all have really paid great tribute to the poet and that you have enjoyed the program is understood by the fact that for the first time I am seeing so much of silence among the audience. So thank you so much, students, for giving due respect not only to Tagore but also to the performers here. A wonder has been created today. There may be bigger schools with more number of students having more grand celebration for Ravindra Jayanti. But today at Central Modern School, beginning with the morning section, pre-primary children, beginning with pre-nursery till class 12, about a dozen dance performances, about a dozen songs, drama, poetry, self-written poems, quiz organized by a student of class 7, what not. That is what tells us the story of what Central Modern students can do. And for all that, I must say Principal Ma'am should be feeling very, very proud about the school, but thank you, ma'am, for conceptualizing the program. Tagore is an institution in himself, a man who not only wrote in all genres of literature, drama, poetry, novels, short stories, essays, travel accounts, whatnot. He was a painter, he wrote his manuscripts, and when he used to reject his writings, he created a painting out of it. That is the stroke of the master. You all must be knowing the story and saying it with a kind of an excuse that what is the need of going to a school? Tagore never went to a school. That story all of you know. Rabindranath Tagore did not go to any formal school except for at Oriental Seminary when he was very young. But he is what he is. Education is something that you give to yourself. We teach all of you, but not all of you take up everything. You have to train yourself. If you know you are good at something, you must be proud of that and you must train that. He was proud. He was a very proud person right from his childhood. When he was a small boy, like all other small children, he heard that narration from his mother, Brishti Pore Takuttu Punnade Loban, Shiv Thakurer Biye Holo Tin Pannadan. It's a very common poetry that mothers used to sing for children to go off to bed when they were small. But when Tagore grew up, he wrote a whole poem with those words, Brishti Pore Takuttu Punnade Loban, as refrain. And today we remember that poetry. We have forgotten that chorus sung by mothers years back, generations back. Maybe your mothers never sang it because nowadays you listen to your mobile tunes and go off to bed. You don't go off to bed. But we all know that poem which Tagore had written and used those lines as refrain. Tagore was very proud of his name because his name symbolizes sun, Robi. So he wrote, Amar Prem Robi Kiran Hano, Jyotirmoy Mukti Diye Tomai Ghire Jabe. Let my love, like sun rays, surround you and spread you with the joy you have. This is what Tagore wrote. You know you have a talent, be proud of it, but cultivate it to take it to a level where the world will recognize you. And believe me, students, if you practice something that is good in you, that will be acknowledged sooner or later. So that was Tagore. But today's program, definitely I began with thanking Principal Ma'am, but there are a few other people who need to be thanked. Students, of course, all the performers, beginning with the pre-nursery students till the class 12 students, they have done a wonderful job. They have rehearsed and rehearsed and rehearsed, and they have really produced it in perfection. This band of students never thought they can act, they can speak in English. Shonji, where is he? He never thought he could act. He acted.
But they acted like themselves.
Exactly. And when they were the chair up to the stage, Shantiniketan, a school where students studied outside, take care of your own things. Carry your own, sit down there, fold it when you are coming up. If you know how to behave responsibly, we can take you anywhere. So you have to know it. This is the ethos of it. So that is what they have done. So definitely the students need to be thanked. Wonderful audience in every batch, especially this batch. Today you really behave like senior students. I'm very happy. It's true, the crowd is a small one, but you behave very well. Thank you for that. Sulakha Miss is not here, but she needs to be thanked for all those alpana and decoration that gave a very special touch to this year's decoration of Ravindra Jayanti program. Other teachers, of course, Shayantan sir and Devjit sir, they are no doubt, but they are there.
Wonderful work.
And of course, if the mic would have created trouble, then I wouldn't have been able to reach out to you in thanking Rajiv sir for the concept of this drama. He insisted that this drama be done in this way. Other programs were done as isolated items, but he wanted to conceptualize this program. That was done, and it's wonderfully done. Of course, thanks to all the teachers for cooperating in their own way behind the stage in making this program a success. Shikha, thank you so much for your presence, ardent presence. With your whole heart, you watch every program, you appreciate what the students are doing. Thank you, Secretary Ma'am. You are the fine touch to every program. Of course, the camera personnel who will help you to watch this, the new thing that Principal Ma'am is doing in letting the whole world know what the school is doing. Otherwise, it is an internal program, but very soon everybody will know what has happened today. Thank you all, and before we end up, we need to remember Tagore once again with the national anthem. One stanza of that big song that he had composed years back. And today, as I have said in the morning, Chandan Sara said,
School, attention.
तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे।